Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Astina's Home Organizing. So hope you all are fine. And recently I just launched a vlog regarding the UAE 49th National Day. I hope you all watched it, and if you didn't, please don't forget to watch it. So today I am back again with another home organizing vlog. So let's see what I got in store for you people. So let's quickly jump into it. Forgot to say, people who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's go.
Okay, so it's a long time back now. I bought some, home organizing stuff, and I'm sorry for the delay. Right now, only I'm able to show you people how I organized it. So, starting with this fridge organizer, in fact, I found it useful to organize some food stuff in here. So, next is this magnet which I bought for the kitchen cabinet. Then comes the scented candles. I had this box long time back, which when I bought Diwali sweets, I got it. So instead of throwing it, I used it to arrange these scented candles. So next is this tablecloth which I bought for my kitchen. This was my son's old desk. Remember, I wash all the dishes and keep it on top of this desk. Okay, so next is this table runner which I bought for my dining table. So this is quite nice, but it didn't turn out to be the length of my dining table. Anyway, we adjusted. So next is this pink napkins which I bought for the dining table. I just folded around 5 napkins and kept it like that. And the rest of the napkins, I have this container where I keep all these different types of napkins. So the rest of them I just kept it inside this box so that it doesn't get dusty or spoiled, and I can use it as and when required. So this is the final view of the dining table, wherein I arranged everything in this manner. Now on the wall you can see that beautiful solar system picture frame which I just hanged in, because my son loves to know about planets, so I thought this would be more inspiring for him to learn more about planets. Now this is one of my favorite, a popcorn maker. My son loves to have popcorn time and again, so I purchased this. I read all the reviews, then only I bought this. Trust me guys, it's worth it. Give it a try, then your kids will enjoy having popcorn. So next is these glass jars which I bought. I'm so obsessed with these glass jars, and after that I just label it with the white marker. I'll make a separate video on how to use this popcorn maker, because there is actually a measurement cup, and based on that we make this popcorn. So on my next vlog I'll show you briefly on how to use this popcorn machine.
You're welcome. You're happy?
Yeah. To keep bananas fresher, I just hang them in this banana stand. Sometimes if you don't have some things in your pantry, just buy them once. It does make a lot of difference. And yeah, I kept some fruits also beneath this. So this is how it is.
Decoration sheet which I bought from Daiso. I told you it's for my son's study desk. See, his study desk is in a very bad condition, so I have to cover it up with this. So this is before, and the after effect I will show you. So I'm going to use this to stick it over his desk and completely cover it, so it'll look nice.
A few moments later.
So that's it guys for today's vlog, and see you in next vlog. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, and take care.